So this is the stuff that I wanted to create. uh, a navbar, a drop down navbar. So to achieve this, I have used this much CSS, and the HTML element are like this structured, and I try to use an script tag. uh, while in that I was trying to capture this li uh, through the uh, combination with the help of query selector. It is very much useful when you are not giving classes or anything. You can directly use query selector and give as similar selectors like in styling. So it is perfect for that. So I tried to catch this one, but unfortunately it is not happening like that. What is happening is that whenever I click any of this li element, I get the alert, but I wanted it to be specific, because my next goal is to capture this inline inner text of it. So I tried to take to help with the ChatGPT, and it showed me the way. So it goes like this. uh, so this was the previous thing that I was trying to do this, like I was adding script on top of the uh, after CSS. So what was happening that the script was working beforehand. The DOM model, then after that DOM model has been like fully uh, rendered. So this was happening, this was creating the issue, like nothing was happening. So this was the chat GPT response that the issue lies in your script. DOM element has been queried, and the email listener has been added before the DOM fully loaded. Okay, so this result in the doesn't exist in DOM, and which the script is executed. To fix this issue, we can use achieve this in a couple ways. Like the first is that using placing the script tag under the body tag, like after when the body tag ends, so it would be the perfect. So I have done this part. Other way is like you can let it be where it is, like after the styling, then script, then in style, in head tag there is also you can add script, and then after that in body whatever you write, like HTML element or structured elements, right? With the help of structured elements, whatever you content you wanna write. So for that they used like a DOM content load. Whenever the DOM content fully loaded, then the script start doing its work. So this is a convenient way, and you can use this in other ways, I guess. Like whenever you are working on some project, uh, all the things has been loaded and you want to do reload again in time, or like on a click. So you can do with this, with the help of this, or in the initial time when you nearly opened a tab, and there is some content in local storage that you wanted to achieve, so without any click, so you can do with the help of this, you can write this add event listener, and the event would be DOM content loaded. Then in that you can gather all the information from uh, parse all the information from local storage. So in that, I was able to click. Okay, but the thing was that I talked earlier, it was clicking the whole li list. So I wanted to be specific, so it gave me two options. First is that to attach add event listener to each and individual li that gives me the uh, specific selections, because of this, and I don't think this is too much suitable that you are adding too much. ChatGPT said this, that it is appropriate, but the second answer that it gave me, it was more of a dynamic way and more useful, like being specific what you are selecting. So it takes only that selective part. Okay, I was little bit confused in this also, the event, what is this doing, and how we are able to target, and what's the text content or like. So the second option is that using event delegation. Okay, the in instead of attaching individual li tag to each li, uh, attack a single listener to ul, and use event delegation to determine which li is clicked. So we added this. ChatGPT gave us the answer that DOM content load, and in that they are selecting whole UL. In UL they are adding add event listener on the click event. They are using, they are adding an argument, event argument, and in that they are using if condition event dot target dot tag name. So what it does is, in event it gives the whole information about what's going on with the click and where it is clicking and all the stuff. So in that there are also the other stuffs that you can use to get the specific li, that which li has been clicked. Okay, so I have deep dived into more into this code that I was unable to understand clearly. So this is whole working, right? That even the target gives you the target area, and the specific things give you uh, tag name, and in that we are using triple is equal to, not changing the type data type. So it is a strict checking, and the li isn't big because of it only takes in the capital, in the bigger alphabetical order. Okay, so this is the most efficient, uh, especially if you having the large number of list item or dynamically adding items. The event listener is added to the parent ul, and the event listener is used to identify the li, collect li. Key difference: each li gets its own event listener. This appropriate this approach is simple but could become inefficient with many items. Second, second option that is better suited, the single element event listener is attached to the UL, and event delegation is used. This is more efficient and scale better for dynamic content. Okay, choose the approach that the best suited for your application area. Okay, so I have typed this and explain it more. So it gave me this, handling the event listener to ULI. Okay, explaining this, okay, in detail breakdown. The first one is this is the normal, uh, what it is doing, attaching the click event to the UL. Okay, this means that the anytime click happens inside the UL, including its child, event listener will trigger. Okay, then it comes the main part. What it is doing and what is providing. The event listener function receive an event object as its argument. This object provides information about the event such as event target, a specific element that is triggered, the event, the element that has clicked, and the current. Yeah, I don't think it is necessary, but they have provided, so it would be considerable, right? So the element, the listener is attached to UL in this case. Okay, current get. I'm still not clear about this. The element the listener is attached to UL in this case. Okay, let's come to the next part. If event.target.name is equal to li, this condition checks if the clicked element event.target is an li element target, a property of the every target element as target elements is always returns the target name in uppercase. Mhm. So this condition checks if the clicked element event target is an li. Okay, the property of the event target element, it's the tags specification that what tag is doing. The property of event target element, it catches the element and always return the tag name in uppercase, example li. Okay, this ensures that the only clicked on li element inside the UL triggered further logic into the if block. Other click inside the UL or empty space or non-li child element are ignored. Why using event target names, tag names? So this is the main stuff. The event, the click event bubbles up from the clicked element to its ancestor from the click ancestor by checking event target dot tag name. Ensure that the responding to click especially on li element or not the UL itself using the li element. So what was happening in my code, that was event bubbling was happening. I was trying to select, but what the thing is, it empty space also comes in as a parent element, and what event bubbling defines as, if you're clicking on single application, a single button, it also triggers the previous the main container also. So that is the event bubbling. If you select the previous button, it would select the small AI also, li also. Means if you select the main container, it automatically select the small container too. So this was the thing, this was the stuff. So clicking on item 1 will trigger an alert and you will get the specific element. Okay, clicking on specific between li element is not triggered an alert system since the condition is even one true. Okay, in empty space the event will not be triggered. Okay, benefits, you one element for the ally instead of attaching one to each. Scalability dynamically elements in a handle becomes becomes the listener is attached to the parent ally. Okay, so this was the whole thing. Thank you.